Reflection. Once we begin the journey of self-discovery, we never turn back. We cannot unknow something we have discovered. We embark on a mission to find our authentic self and create a new map of our mind. The previous programming of the mind becomes obsolete, and soon we begin to open the door to our destiny. Reflect on the following questions. What defines me, and who am I? Am I the sum of previous beliefs, conclusions, and a reflection of my needs, wants, and reactions? Or do I have a different purpose in life? Am I the image of a personality developed over the years through a web of old beliefs, thoughts, and emotions stored in a memory bank? Or a universal creation of new ideas, hopes, and dreams? Take a moment to reflect on your inner voice. What does this voice say to you about yourself?